Here in Southwest Florida, we deal with harmful algal blooms every year, including most recently in Gators Slough. But new research into dolphins on the East Coast in the Indian River Lagoon found links to the blooms and diseases like Parkinson's, ALS, and Alzheimer's. I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Andrew Shipley, and I spoke to the lead researcher at University of Miami's Miller School of Medicine about his findings.
Very interesting to see how algal toxins that we know produce, neurological effects, how they affect dolphins and dolphin brains.
The study looked at beach dolphins between 2010 and 2019 and compared their brain tissues during algae season versus non-algae season. And what pathologist Dr. David Davis found was alarming.
And particularly a toxin called 2,4-DAB, which is basically acts kind of like an inhibitory amino acid, and which can affect basically neurons communicating with each other in the brain.
They also found something you may think only happens to humans.
So we saw that not only the season that these dolphins were stranded, they had this increased signature in these Alzheimer's disease-related genes. We also found that the expression of some of these genes actually correlated with toxin concentrations.
Dr. Davis says there's limitations to applying these findings directly to humans, but these are the exact questions they're trying to answer, especially with so many Floridians living near the water. In a similar study, it looked at human brains donated to science in South Florida.
We measured 3 algal toxins in that study, and the striking thing is that we looked at individuals with Alzheimer's disease again, and those individuals with Alzheimer's disease that were kind of, early stages, meaning they were kind of out and about still. They had much more of the toxin versus those who were kind of late stages.
And with a large elderly population in Florida,
these type of environmental exposures are probably not good for the health of those people at risk for developing disease or have diseases like Alzheimer's disease.
And going back to the dolphins, Dr. Davis says they're still working through many hypotheses, but they do believe the neurotoxins are contributing to hearing and sonar loss, with the dolphins contributing to some of the beachings. In Fort Myers, meteorologist Andrew Shipley, Fox 4.